Quick question, if you could have been one of the first coaches to ever move your business online when the internet first came out, where would your business be today? Would you still be working? Imagine this for me. Decades ago, when personal trainers and coaches spent every waking minute of their day with clients, they were trading their time for money all day. This locks them in and they're unable to grow, they're unable to scale. There's a ceiling on what they can do. Then they heard about this brand new thing, the internet. It was just invented.
Surf it, scroll it, pose it, click it, cross it, crack it.
And after just a couple of years of it being around, coaches started waking up and started communicating remotely with their clients, selling online services, online consultations. This is back in the days of Skype. And the first ones to move online obviously became the most successful. Zoom forward to today, almost every single coach offers some form of coaching online, so there's nothing really to differentiate you. Of course, your service, your ability as a coach, but I'm talking in terms of platforms, in terms of scalability. But what if I told you there is another opportunity? There is another element that can separate you from 95% of the other coaches. Well, there is, and it's called AI. And it presents another opportunity for you to get in at the bottom floor, leveraging it in your coaching business, to be an early adopter. And if there's one thing we know about technology, it's that early adopters are always rewarded. Whatever type of coach you are, this bundle of AI courses can change your life and your business, because experts are calling the arrival of AI the biggest thing since the internet was created. We're not talking YouTube, Facebook, Twitter. We're talking internet. Is it irresponsible for you not to learn how to use it? In 5 years, we're going to be looking at AI as the only difference between highly successful coaches and those that keep struggling with barely any clients. Now, you'll hear a common fear amongst coaches that it's ruining the industry and it's going to steal our jobs. This isn't true at all. You cannot replace the human touch. You cannot replace our personalities. In fact, learning how to use AI allows you to do more of that with your clients, to show your personality, to have one-to-one conversations. What we show you how to do with AI is to automate the mundane, the routine tasks that you do day in and day out that burn hours. I'm talking the basics of onboarding, accepting payments, sending initial steps, setting up a program, social media planning, script writing, newsletter sending. All of these things can be automated so that you can pour that time into the one-to-one conversations, the lead nurturing, converting leads to paying clients and keeping them on board, getting referrals for them. That's the important work, and all the admin is sucking time away from it. And AI allows you to stop that. Now, of course, it takes a little bit of time to learn how to automate those things, and that's exactly what our courses are for. We created a bundle of AI courses just for coaches, and some of them are still being updated and built in the background based on the new tools and technology around AI, because it's a swiftly moving industry. But these courses give you everything you need to start utilizing AI in your coaching business today. We show you what AI is, teach you when and when not to use it, provide you with the best tools out there, and much more. Imagine in just 30 days, you could not only be competent, but actually skilled in AI. Imagine being able to automate the aspects of your business that consume hours of your day. What would you do with 2 to 3 hours a day freed up? We show you how to use AI to make social media intentional, efficient, and actually enjoyable again. I don't know how many coaches I've talked to that absolutely hate social media now. And creating content should be the most fun part of what we do. You'll also learn how to leverage and build automatic systems to convert leads into paying clients without needing to constantly run after people. And because your systems are so smooth, so on point, you're gonna wow these clients and increase the likelihood of them referring others to you and re-signing for more coaching terms. You'll learn how to repurpose a client's check-in into a series of newsletters, social posts, YouTube videos, and client resource guides. The influencers and coaches that you follow on social media that seem to be posting every single day while running their business, they're repurposing content. That's the trick. That's the name of the game. They're not creating everything organically every day. We'll also show you how to save 2 to 3 hours a day on the check-in process. Again, not giving your clients robotic check-ins, but just streamlining the entire process. These strategies are just the tip of the iceberg. In 5 to 6 packed modules per course, you'll get in-depth breakdowns, step-by-step tutorials, highly practical video lessons and demos, as well as bonus prompt tools and videos. It's insane. So if you're ready to dive in, we have a special deal just for you down below, and I'll see you in the course.